Hey my natural beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's Toya here. To all my new subscribers, welcome to you, and I'm so glad you're here. I'm so glad that you subscribed to me. Today I have a collaboration video for you guys, and this collab is with Jamaican makeup artist aka Rochester aka the Bodice. So we decided to do this collab. I contacted her to do a collab and she agreed, so we're doing this collab now. And the theme for the collab is night magic. So I was thinking of something with glitter. So the glitter that I'm wearing is just this regular glitter that you can find in any cosmetic store. Very cheap, and it's just basic loose glitter. On my lips I'm wearing this lipstick from She Makeup, and it's a California based makeup company. So this is what it looks like, and the packaging is really nice, but it's just basically a nude color. So that's what it looks like. Very awesome, and the eyes are going on with a lot, so I just wanted to keep the lip kind of neutral. So that's what I have on my lips, and I just put some gloss on top of that to make it a little bit shimmery. So of course guys, don't forget to check out Lyric's video. I'll be leaving a link to that in the description bar below, and also don't forget to stay tuned to the end of my video. I'm going to be leaving a link there as well. So yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also don't forget to follow me on social media, namely Facebook, Twitter and Instagram, and all those links will be in the description bar below. I love you guys so much. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Yeah. Hey, but on the real though, what's up? I slapped this song on everything I love, boy. My man. You never seen basketball wives at all. Word. Cool. And you don't think green yards was fly at all. No, you don't, no, you don't, no, you don't. Still it's like you from the same block boys was on. It's like you from the hood, but you not though. And you just realized that your brain got more to show. And baby, I've been waiting for you. And maybe even praying for you. Since I came out, my mama, yeah. And that's on my mama. Since the seed came out, my daddy, and that's on my daddy, yeah. And I slap it on the hood. I ain't never seen a queen like you. Right. Yeah. Good enough to be in gold, but you only wear clean white shoes. Look at you. Slap. You Nefertiti in a pair of Nikes. Paraplegics probably walk behind you. If you walking by them, I know I would. She'll make my legs work just to see what that head worth. Now get your mind about the gutter, baby. Talking about that mind inside your nugget, lady. Since it's fine, I'll probably put a diamond on your knuckle, maybe. Luckily, we suck it, maybe. Truthfully, I suck it waiting. We can do this now, like we can. And baby, I've been waiting, right now. Couple seasons almost over. We better get right and get love. We can. And maybe even praying for you. Since I came out, my mama, yeah. And that's on my mama. Since the seed came out, my daddy, and that's on my daddy, yeah. And I slap it on the hood. I ain't never seen a queen like you. Good enough to be in gold, but you only wear clean white shoes. Slap all time. Better make you right the dome now. See, I'll slap it on my grandma if I have one. I want you to have my kids, girl, give me a black son. You can call this pretty hair, give him all that black love. Girl, I love your black thongs, baby, let me have some. Baby, I slap it on my madre, my padre. Girl, I mess with you the long way, like all day. You could probably shop at Prada, but you'd rather Target. You the type to make $1 million, give it all way. I slap it on your mama tambourine. Frequency is up like we jumping on the trampoline. If you need love, girl, I promise you can rock with me. Stop and breathe, baby, we be dead as long as I can think. I believe you about the realest woman I've seen. I agree, round about as fine as some Italian wine, and man, I'm out about 1 million times as bright as I can see. I can claim, I deserve nothing less than every single second worth of every day my heart can serve. But for real though, you know I can take you to my mama's house. Mama don't like no tools around, no ratchets. Nope. And girl, you ain't no ratchet, no ratchet. When I was a boy, there was a mom and dad, but only parents that I had were at. I think I'm going for you. Girl, what type of omen do you use? That devil up in that red dress got undressed and redressed, she be teased. I took my 3 L's to the head, not expecting this death I'm receiving. So when you gon' poke that thing out for a real player, know I'm talking about. She said that her brain vibrates way higher than the games that I'm playing now. Oh my God, you're so intelligent, evidently you are heaven sent. I wanna waste all my time with you. Don't focus on her getting money. That's what Weezy taught me. And that man never lied. You worry about who that chick loving, why don't you get money? That's what Khalifa taught me. And that man know he right. Showed you right, yeah. 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 Here goes some brand new flavor for your ear. If you smell me, throw your nasal in the air. Been a player since the game was Sega, so believe me when I say that I ain't waiting for no basic ladies there. But you ain't as basic as I thought you was or something. I mean, like, I ain't think you was dumb or nothing, because my mind spun from your quiet tongue, speaking none. Now I'm thinking when the time comes, we may wind up together or whatever, like. But I should be chasing cheddar, right? So I'ma eat my Cheetos as I listen to her Vito try to tell me that these women mean zero, and a nigga is my hero, so I gotta believe him. I got big dreams, man, I gotta achieve them. If them chicks don't choose, then you just gotta leave them. Even when you feel like that may be the one, I guess. Don't focus on her getting money, ooh-wee. That's what Weezy taught me. And that man never lied. You worry about who that chick loving, why don't you get money? That's what Khalifa taught me. And that man know we right. Showed you right, yeah. 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 Lames catch feelings, we catch fly, fly, fly. Lames catch feelings, we catch fly, fly, fly. Lames catch feelings, we catch flies, flies, flies. Lames catch feelings, we catch flies, flies, flies. But I just want a wife, 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 I want a wife.
I don't know what's something jumping on all these. Anyways. Of course, guys, don't forget to check out Lyric's video. I will be linking it somewhere on my screen or in the end of... I think that's it.